Germarel power.
Germarel Airbase containers. What does that mean? We produce them 40 feet or 20 feet in a sea container, and with additional painting. So it's anti-rusted and long life usage is possible. So there will be drones to charging so many drones at the same time, 20 till 40. Also the batteries, and it has inside like a workbase for any kind of problem to repair the drones. Also there will be having like silence special diesel generator. Also will be having 200 kilowatt, 100 kilowatt, 50 kilowatt, whatever it's needed, different power energy storage systems in the container, with bathroom, with shower, additional water, and additional oil for the diesel generator, with a kitchen, with sleeping beds, and also tools to repair the drones if anything happens. So we have also tables and comfortable area for the soldiers during any kind of problem. Our emanations have strongly protected with anti-vibration feet, special room. Also with solar panel connected and wind turbine connected, and it's easy to carry the container around the area where is needed to be used. So you don't have to use only in one place, you can carry the container anywhere you need it. And the containers have minimum 20 years lifetime, and then with small touches to the container we can use up to 50 years. So we are here to support our clients in all countries to have a secure and better defense and better area for the soldiers. So the container has also in the middle like a special helipad, so you can open and then put the drone and then fly, and then you can close back for any kind of attack. You can use optional net protection against drones, and any kind of additional options can be added with the clients if we have spoken and if we agree together. Thank you for watching.
Germarel power.